Christian, what are you watching? What are you watching? It's all done, Christian. You gotta play it again. Gotta push play. Push play now. You wanna play it again? You wanna play it again? Yes? Okay. I have to help you. Okay. What was that? You like watching yourself on the computer, right?
Yes.
You do so good with that.
I'll try to do it.
That's right. That's right. Okay, Christian. Oh, careful. Oh, did you hurt yourself? Okay, let me give you a kiss.